Okay friends, one more problem. If x belongs to open -2 to 5 closed, then find 2x square minus x 1 by x. Just 4 I want. 2x easy only. Directly I can say that 2x belongs to open -4 to closed 10. Yeah, x square also somewhat easy only. See here, -2 to 5. -2 square 4, 5 square 25. Okay, but don't write open 4 to 25. This becomes wrong answer. Why? Because middle 0 will be, no? -1 after -1, 0, 1. 0 square 0 will be. 0 after 1, 1 square 1, 0 not there, 1 not there, 0.1 not there, 0.2 not there. That's why this is wrong. So what is the correct answer? 0 to 25. 0 to closed, 0 to closed 25. So 0 to -2 square numbers are all involved here only. So 0 to 25 numbers are also involved here. 0 to -2 square numbers and 0 to +2 square numbers are same. That's why actual x square is closed 0 to closed 25. Closed, why I used closed 0 will be, no? Understood? Okay. So x square belongs to closed 0 to closed 25. Next, what do you want? Minus x. Okay. Minus x. Same. Minus x. -2 less than x lesser than or equal to 5. I want multiply another side. Inequality will alter. 2 greater than -x greater than or equal to -5, or -5 lesser than or equal to -x less than 2, or I can directly write closed -5 to open 2. Now actual problem is 1 by x. This is interesting thing. 1 by x. This is only the important. Finding 1 by x. See here, reciprocals of these numbers you want to find. Middle 0 will be. We can't find reciprocal of 0. That's why given interval should be divided into 2 pieces. See here, -2 to 0, union 0 to 5. Okay. Now we want for reciprocals of this and reciprocals of this. Their union only the required set. Okay. Reciprocals of this already explained. Okay, what is that? -∞ to -1 by 2. 1 by 2 not there means here also won't be. Union. Reciprocal of this already explained. 1 by 5 closed 1 by 25 to infinity. So this is the 1 by x. Very important. Finding reciprocal of an interval, some elements negative, some elements positive. Finding its reciprocal is very important. Friends, our third part, solving linear inequalities. Important part. Okay, for example, I will explain through examples only. Solve x plus 2 is greater than 0. We want to find the values of x so that x plus 2 greater than 0. Okay, solution. So adding -2 another side, x is greater than -2. This saying that your x value is greater than -2, or in other words I can say that x belongs to open -2 to infinity, or sometimes you want right answer on a number line. The number line here -2 open to infinity. All these values will be satisfies. So example 2, 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to -3. We want to find x which satisfies this linear inequality or linear inequation. So I can say 3x greater than or equal to -4. Dividing throughout by 3, nothing happened, inequality, because 3 is positive quantity. X is greater than -4 by 3. So what is the meaning of this? X is the real number which is greater than or equal to minus 4 by 3. Or I can say that x belongs to closed minus 4 by 3 to infinity. Or sometimes you want to write on a number line. Somewhere here minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 included because thick circle and all. Okay, simple problem. Now somewhat difficult one. Example 3. Solve x plus 3 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 or greater than 0. First of all, x plus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. This is interesting problem. Observe here. This is in the form of a into b greater than 0. I already explained a into b greater than 0. Two things happen. A greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Or a less than 0 and b less than 0. Product is positive means both should have the same sign. Both should be positive or both should be negative. So here we want to find x value which satisfies this condition and this condition. Their union only the required solution. Okay, first of all I want to find the value of x which satisfies this condition. This condition means what? A greater than 0 means feel this is as A, this is B. A greater than 0 means x plus 3 greater than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Here you need to find x value. Here you need to find another x value, a less than 0 and b less than 0. Their union only the solution of the problem. Okay, so x greater than minus 3 and x greater than 2. Okay, so I want to combine these two, x greater than minus 3 and greater than 2. I can combine by using number line. This is number line. Here minus 3, here 2. What is saying that x value is greater than minus 3, greater than, not equal to minus 3, greater than minus 3. All the values. So this is saying that x greater than 2, greater than 2, greater than 2, not equal to but greater than 2. But the intersection, this is only the intersection. Greater than minus 3 and greater than 2, this area is intersection. Therefore, what I can say, x is greater than 2 is the common solution for these two conditions. Once again listen. The problem is of the form a into b greater than 0. A into b greater than 0 means a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, or a less than 0 and b less than 0. We want to find x which satisfies a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. And we want to find another x which satisfies a less than 0 and b less than 0. Their union only the required solution. Okay. Here a less than 0 means x plus 3 less than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, x is less than minus 3 and x is less than 2. I want to combine these two. I want to combine these two by using number line minus 3. This x is less than 2 this side, not equal to but less than 2. So what this is saying that x is greater than minus 3, x is less than minus 3, sorry, x is less than minus 3 this side. So common area is this. What is the meaning of this? X is less than minus 3. Union means x, therefore x less than minus 3 union x greater than 2 is the solution. But sometimes we need to write it in interval notation. So what I can say, so x belongs to less than minus 3 means up to minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to infinity. So this is the solution of the problem. Okay students, so in this way you can solve linear inequalities, but difficult thing is here only two brackets given, problem becomes easy. For example, in a problem x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 less than 0, we want to solve this problem. We will take this as A, this is B, this is C. Several cases will arise. Only two brackets, product greater than 0, only two cases. One case is a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Another case is a less than 0 and b less than 0. But here several cases will arise. What happened, Anna? A into b into c should be less than 0. Product of three numbers should be less than 0. These two may be positive, this may be negative. I will write like this here, a, b, c. plus plus minus one possibility, minus plus another possibility, okay, plus minus plus another possibility, minus plus minus another possibility. I think wrong. Okay, wait. All minus possibility. Product should be negative, no? So what happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities. Means A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C less than 0, we get one common X. A less than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0, another common X. A greater than 0, B less than 0, C greater than 0, another common X. A less than 0, B less than 0, C less than another common X. So we need to combine all those. That is the required solution of this problem. Okay, you can. But problem is given like this. X plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 into x minus 6, okay, is less than 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 terms A into B into C into D should be less than 0. We get several cases. Okay, move by some x square plus 3 into x minus 2 given. So this method becomes difficult. So we need to search alternate method to solve such linear inequalities. Only 2 brackets, okay, you can solve easily. 3 brackets, okay, you can solve. But 4 brackets are given problem of the form x plus a into x plus b by x plus c into x plus d into x minus f lesser than greater than 0. We want to solve this inequality. We want to solve this inequation by using this method. We can solve, but very difficult. So we have another alternate method to solve such inequalities. So by using that method directly you can solve the problems. That method is called wavy curve method or sign scheme method. I want to explain that now. But we want to apply wavy curve method or sign scheme method, we should follow some rules. So first of all I want to write rules and I will explain. Okay student, this is the important part for us. Wavy curve method are sometimes called sign scheme. By using this method or sign scheme method, you can solve some linear inequalities or non-linear inequalities. But we want to use this method given inequality should in standard form. What is meant by standard form? So that inequality should satisfied by all these 1, 2, 3 rules especially. So first 2 rules. For example, your inequality of the form x minus a1 power p1 into x minus a2 power p2 so on x minus a3 power an power pn by, okay, x minus b1 power q1, x minus b2 power q2 so on x minus bn power qn is greater than 0 or lesser than 0 or lesser than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. If your inequality is in this form, then you can apply wavy curve method. What wavy curve method says? Yeah, first one, make the RHS part of inequality as 0. So directly here RHS part of inequality is 0 here in the standard form. Make LHS parts of inequality as linear factors as possible, factors if possible. Here p1 comma p2 so on pn comma q1 comma q2 so on qn are natural numbers. Okay, and a1 comma a2 so on an comma b1 comma b2 so on bn are real numbers. No, this is in standard form. Rule 1, make RHS part of inequality 0. Okay, RHS part inequality is 0 only. Make LHS part of inequality as linear factors with whatever it be exponent, linear factor. X minus a1 is linear having a power. For example, p1 is 3. X minus a1 power 3 means that is not linear but third degree polynomial, but x minus a1 that is taken as linear. Linear factors power any natural number. Okay, x minus a1 power p1, x minus a2 power p2. So this is a linear power some exponent. This is linear exponent. That exponent is a natural number here, clearly mentioned. So this is another linear exponent. So first of all, if given inequality, should convert in this form. Okay, so make the RHS part of inequality as 0. Second part is make the LHS part of inequality as linear factors. Meaning is linear factor with any exponent if possible. So identify the critical points. First of all, I want to explain what is critical points. What values of x this bracket become 0, that is called one of the critical point of this expression. What values of x this bracket equal to 0, that is said to be another critical point of this expression, LHS part. What values of x this bracket become 0, that is taken as critical point of this expression. See, a1 is one critical point, a2 is another critical point, so on, an is of another critical point, b1 is one critical point, b2 critical point, b3 critical point, and so on. So identify the critical points. You should identify the critical points. Okay, for example, the problem is, I want to take a simple problem, x minus 3 into x plus 4, okay, is lesser than 0 you want. So this is standard form. Make the RHS part of the inequality 0, okay. Make the LHS part of inequality as linear factors possible, okay, linear factors only. Identify the critical points. Here critical points are 3 and minus 4. Critical points are 3 and minus 4. Understood? Okay. Okay, 3 and minus 4. Identify critical points which are the solutions of the given inequation. So put x equal to 3. What happened? 0 less than 0. False statement. 3 is not a solution for this problem. 3 is critical point, but 3 is not a solution. So substitute minus 4, 0 into something into 0, 0 less than 0, wrong. So minus 4 and 3 won't satisfy the given inequation. So these two are, even though critical points, those two are not solutions of the problem. Okay, next step what? Plot critical points on the number line. Take number line. Plot these two critical points, minus 4 left hand side of 3 only. Now the number line divided into 3 pieces. One piece is minus infinity to minus 4, minus 4 to 3, 3 to infinity. Okay. Now we want to identify which area, which piece of the number line gives the solution of given inequation. Understood? X minus 3 into x plus 4 less than 0 given. First of all, you want to identify critical points. 3 comma minus 4 are critical points. 3 is not satisfying. 4 minus 4 also not satisfying. So first of all, plot those critical points on number line identified. Now the total number line, this is minus infinity to infinity. This number line divided into 3 pieces. This is one piece, second piece, third piece. So I can say first piece, second piece, third piece. So minus infinity to minus 4 to 3, 3 to infinity. Now we want to identify which piece gives the solution of the given inequation. Plot critical points on the number line. Next important step. Put positive sign to the rightmost side of the critical point. Rightmost side of the critical 3. Write plus here. Plus. What the meaning of this means? Take any value of x greater than 3. This expression is positive. Take any value of x greater than 3. This expression is positive. Don't bother about the symbol. Just to identify the critical points. After that, you want to apply sign scheme. While applying sign scheme, don't bother about this symbol, either greater than 0 or lesser than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or lesser than or equal to 0. Don't bother. Just write the plus sign rightmost critical point. After rightmost critical point, say plus. So what is the meaning of this is, take any value of x greater than 3, this expression is positive. Take 5 for example. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 minus 2, product positive 1. Okay. Next. So minus 4 to 3, take any real number and substitute here. What we will get sign? The sign should be right here. Okay, but directly what this method saying that directly you can write without taking the values and substituting, find the sign. So by using Vevik or method, directly you can find sign. What happened to the sign of this expression? The value for the values of x minus 4 to 3 depend upon x minus 3 exponent. See last one. X minus power n is odd, sign will change. The meaning is, this is the critical point for this bracket. This exponent is 1. 1 is odd. This saying that if odd, then sign will change. Sign will change means plus after minus. Plus after minus, that is the meaning of this. X minus a whole power n. If n is odd, then sign will change. Sign will change. Rightmost of critical points wrote plus, no? After that, what happened is depend upon the x minus 3 exponent. 3 is the critical point of x minus 3 bracket only, no? X minus 3 exponent. X minus 3 exponent is odd, sign will change. Even sign won't change. So here x minus 3 exponent is 1, sign will change means plus after minus. So what happened this area? Without taking the values of x from minus 4 to 3. Actually what should do, Nana? We want to take any value of x between minus 4 to 3 and we need to substitute there. After that we need to identify what happened to the sign. We need to write that sign here. But what the method saying that directly you can write the sign without finding values and substituting. Okay. So what happened to the sign? Either it carry minus or it carry plus, depend upon the exponent of x plus 4. This is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 4, no? X plus 4 exponent. X plus 4 exponent is 1. 1 means odd. Odd means sign will change. So minus after plus. Okay. After applying signs, next what do you want? Lesser than 0. Less than 0 you want means negative symbols you want. Greater than 0 means positive symbols you want. So lesser than 0 means you want negative symbols. Where are the negative symbols? Here. Negative symbol here. Negative symbol means minus 4 to 3. Negative symbol means any value of x between minus 4 to 3. That is the solution of the problem. Therefore, I can say x belongs to open minus 4 to open 3. Once again, listen, students. First of all, you are given inequality should be in this form. Right hand side of the inequality should be 0. Left hand side should be a linear polynomials with several exponents. After that, we need to identify critical points. So this is a1 is one of the critical point. You can say x minus a1 is there. No, what is the 0 of x minus a1? That is taken as critical point. X minus a2 0 is a2. X minus an 0 is an. X minus b1 0 is b1. X minus b2 0 is b2. X minus bn 0 is bn. Those all are critical points. Identify critical points as solutions and which are not. Sometimes these may be solutions, no, are equal. For example, here only lesser than given. So minus 3 and minus 3 are critical point, but any one of them is not solution. That should identify. Identify critical points which are solutions and which are not solutions. Both are not solutions in this situation. Okay, plot critical points on the number line. Okay. Put positive sign to the rightmost side of the critical point. Rightmost side of the critical point, plus symbol, plus symbol. So, what is the meaning of this? Take any value of x greater than 3, you will get the sign of the expression is positive. This expression x minus 3 into x plus 4. So, next what happened to the values of x from minus 4 to 3 is depend upon x minus 3 exponent. X minus 3 exponent is odd, sign will change. X minus 3 exponent is even, sign won't change. Plus carries plus only. But here 1 odd, sign will change. Okay, the values of x less than minus 4, what happened to the expression sign is depend upon x plus 4 exponent. X plus 4 exponent is odd, sign will change. Okay, plus. Now plus minus plus. After this, we want to find the real number line area. You having negative symbol or positive symbol, depend upon this. Less than 0 you want. Less than 0 means negative symbols you want. Negative symbols means minus 4 to 3 only. Therefore, x belongs to minus 4 to 3. Open minus 4 to 3 because minus 4 won't satisfy. 3 won't satisfy verified initially. So that's why x belongs to minus 4 to 3 is the solution of the problem. Listen, important students, while practicing problems only will get correct clarification on this method. So already we did this problem by using general method a into b less than 0. By taking two cases, I solve the problem. Now by using Weyl-Vickrey method, I want to solve this problem. So initially this problem is in standard form because right hand side of the inequality is 0. LHS of inequalities all are linear factors. Here exponent 1, here exponent 1. Now we need to identify critical points. Critical points. What is meant by critical points? So we have linear factors now. Zeros of those linear factors. So this is minus 1 and 2. 2 are two critical points for this problem. Next one is we want to identify these two critical points are solutions or not. So put minus 1 in the given inequality. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 into something 0. 0 lesser than 0. Wrong statement. So minus 1 won't give the solution of the problem. Next, substitute 2. Same argument. This is not a solution. So those two critical points not a solution of the problem. Take number line. Identify the critical points on the number line. Next, these two are not solutions, no? Mark them with open circles. Now the number line divided into three pieces. Minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. Okay, now we want to identify which area of the real number line is the solution of given equation. Okay, actually without using this method means you need to find the sign of this expression for these values. These values. We need to take values of x is greater than 2 and you need to substitute and you want to verify what happened, plus or minus. You need to identify sign. But Weyerker method saying that directly you can find the sign without substituting those values. So method saying that put plus sign, put positive sign to the rightmost critical point. So don't bother about the symbol here. Don't bother about symbol. Plus are given less than 0 or greater than 0, lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to 0. We will see at last. So this area plus or minus is depend upon. This is 0 of x minus 2 only, no? This exponent. Okay, x minus 2 exponent. If x minus 2 exponent is odd, sign will change. Exponent is even, sign won't change, sign will carry, same, plus to plus. But here odd number, no one, sign will change, plus becomes minus. So what happened to this sign is depend upon x plus 1 exponent. This is 0 of the polynomial x plus 1 only. X plus 1 exponent, even means minus carries minus. Odd means minus gives plus. So here odd only. So sign will change, plus. Now what is the problem? X plus 1 into x minus 2 less than 0. Less than means negative symbols you want. Negative symbols. Identify where are the negative symbols? Only this area having negative symbols. Okay. Minus 1 not a solution. 2 is not a solution. But between minus 2 is a solution. That is the answer for the problem. Therefore, x belongs to open minus 2 open. Student, another problem. X minus 1 whole square into x plus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 6 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Without using Weyerker, we want to solve this very difficult. By using Weyerker method, within 2 steps you can complete the problem. So given problem is in standard form. No need to change. Standard form. One more important thing. Make the inequalities factors if possible, and all the factors should have the form x plus or minus a only. Means x plus or minus a means coefficient of x should be positive. Important. All the linear factors of the form ax plus or minus b only where a greater than 0. This is forgot to write. Okay. So all the linear factors should have the form ax plus or minus b and a coefficient should be positive. If not, we need to change. See here, right? Make the right part of the inequality 0. Okay. Make the LHS part of the inequalities factors linear factor if possible. All are linear factors. Linear. This is not linear, but base is linear. Okay, ax plus or minus b form, a coefficient should be positive. Okay, here 1 positive, 1 positive, 1 positive, 1 positive, 1 positive. Very important. Otherwise, you won't make like that. Identify the critical points. Okay, now I am identifying critical points here. Minus 3, 1 critical point. 1 is 1 critical point, 2 critical point, 4 critical point, 6 critical point. There are 5 critical points. Interesting problem. Next, we want to identify which critical points gives a solution. Put x equal to 1, numerator 0, denominator is non-zero, 0 by non-zero 0, greater than or equal to 0. Already I explained a greater than or equal to 0 means either a greater than 0 or a equal to 0. So what happened? 1 will satisfy. 1 is the solution of the problem. Critical point 1 is the solution of the problem. Minus 3 satisfies. 4 satisfies. but 2 won't satisfy in denominator, that is in denominator, something by 0, not defined. So the critical point 2 is not a solution of the problem. Minus 6 is not a solution of the problem. First of all, we want to identify critical point. Critical points identified. After identification of critical points, which critical point gives solution and which are not. So identified minus 3, 1, 2 are solution, 4 and 6 are not solutions of the problem. Take number line. Plot the critical points on the number line in their order. Minus 3 first. After 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number line divided into 6 pieces. Just to write here plus symbol. Don't bother about this. Plus or minus depend upon x minus 6 exponent. The x minus 6 exponent is odd, sign will change. Even, sign won't change. X minus 6 exponent even here. Sign won't change as it is plus. Sign will carry. That sign only carry. Next, here plus after minus or plus depend upon x minus 4 exponent. X minus 4 exponent. X minus 4 exponent. X minus 4 exponent. Odd. 1 is odd. Plus becomes minus. Next, plus or minus depend upon x minus 2 exponent. X minus 2 exponent. Odd. 1 means odd. Plus. Sign will change. Here plus or minus depend upon x minus 1 exponent. X minus even. Sign will carry. Previous sign will carry. So here what the sign is depend upon minus or plus depend upon x plus 3 exponent. X plus 3 odd. Sign will change. Okay. Next, minus 3 the solution. No. Mark with the thick circle. Minus 3. 1 is a solution. Okay. 4 is a solution. So 6 is not a solution, open circle. 2 is not a solution, open circle. Now what you want? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive symbols you want. Positive symbols. Here see, positive. Here to here positive. Here to infinity positive. Now I want to write the solution here. Observe. So important Nana. Final solution. I am writing final solution. Important. X belongs to positive symbols minus 3 closed because minus is a solution to 1 to 2. So 1 also there now, no need write comma up to open 2. So minus 3 to 2 union. Next 4 to closed 4 to 6 won't be no? 4 to infinity excluding 6. 6 is not there now, here open circle. 4 to infinity excluding 6. Sometimes you can write 4 to 6 open union open 6 to infinity. Or sometimes you can write like this. X belongs to closed minus 3 to 2 open union closed 4 to infinity open minus from this only we need to remove that 6. Both are correct. So this is the solution of the problem. Students listen. Next example 3. Interesting. We want to find solution for this equation x by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 4 using wavy curve method. So what wavy curve method is saying that make the RHS part of the inequality as 0, not there. Cross multiplication is prohibited in inequality. X by 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 greater than or equal to 0. First step. Okay. Now we need to simplify LHS part. Take LCM. 2x plus 1 into 4. 4x minus half 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Or 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 into 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So important thing. We want to find the values of x. So that 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 into 4 greater than or equal to 0. If you remove 4, nothing happened to the problem. Problem of the meaning remains same. Because 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. In this 4 variable is not involved. No use of 4. Okay. So leave it about that. Or directly I can write 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now it is enough to solve this inequation. Understood why I removed 4? Multiply 4 on another side. What happened, Nana? Same thing you will get, no? No use of 4. Now, this is in standard form. Means this is in the form. Standard form. Now, I can use wavy curve method. Critical points. 1 by 2 is one critical point. Minus 1 by 2 is another critical point. After that, we want to identify which critical point is a solution of the problem. So, 1 by 2 is a solution. See, greater than or equal to. Put x equal 1 by 2, 0 by non-zero number. So, that's why 0. 1 by 2 is the solution. But minus 1 by 2, not a solution of the problem. Now, take number line. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Identify. The number line divided into 3 pieces. 1 by 2 solution, no? Make with thick circle. Minus 1 by 2, not a solution. Open. Now, I want to apply sign scheme. Plus, minus, plus. Directly, plus, minus depend upon 1 by 2 is the 0 of 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 exponent is 1. Okay, so what I explained here, your linear factors of the form ax plus or minus b, where a greater than 0. Okay, a greater than 0, 2 greater than 0 only, standard form only. So here also, standard form only. So plus, so odd, minus, odd, plus, sign change. What I want, greater than 0, plus symbols I want, plus symbols. So plus symbols minus infinity to minus half and 1 by 2 to infinity. So I want to write solution here. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is not a solution, no? Open bracket. Union. 1 by 2 is there, solution, closed 1 by 2, open infinity. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, student, now I am finalizing wavy curve method. Your inequality should have of this form. Means right hand side of the inequality 0. Either here lesser or greater or lesser than or greater than. That is not big problem. So this area should be having factors of the form x minus a whole power 7, x plus b whole power 9. So 2x plus 3 whole power 7 by x minus 3 whole power 9. So 3x minus 7 whole power 10 form. Okay. X coefficient 1, not only 1, positive, x coefficient positive. So here we will get linear factors, x coefficient should be positive. For example, a problem is given like this, x minus a into 2 minus x by x plus 3 is less than 0. We want to solve this. It is not in standard form. We can't use wavy curve method directly because, okay, rule 1 satisfied. Rule 2 not satisfied. Make the LHS part of the inequality as a linear factor if possible and the factors of the form ax plus or minus b. So a coefficient should be positive, but here okay, but here x coefficient negative. What should do? Take one minus common here. Minus common. What happened to that? X minus 2. This is as it is x minus 9. This as it is x plus 3 is less than 0. We don't want minus symbol here. Multiply minus on either side. Inequality will alter. So x minus 2 into x minus 9 by x plus 3. Now greater than 0. Now this is in standard form. Now we can apply wavy curve method. You can find the value of x. Understood? So while using wavy curve method, we need to check given inequality is in standard form or not. If it is not in standard form, you want to make it into standard form, then only you can apply sign scheme or wavy curve method. I hope you people understood the method. Okay students, here 2 questions. Yeah, this is standard form, directly standard form. Now I can apply. Important thing is we want to find the value of x so that this expression is lesser than or equal to 0. This is always greater than or equal to 1 only, no? X square plus 1. X square plus always greater than or equal to 1 only. This expression never becomes negative. So it is better to solve the problem x minus 2 whole power 2016 into x plus 1 whole power 2019 by x plus 7 into x minus 1 cube is lesser than or equal to 0. Just I remove this, no problem. I can say that both side I multiplied with x, I divided by x square plus 1. Nothing happened to the inequality because x square plus 1 is a positive quantity. So this expression won't affect the solution of given inequality. That's why you can remove it. That is not a big problem. Okay. Now it is in standard form. Directly I want use number line. I want find the critical points. One is minus 7, one is minus 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the critical points I want right here? Minus 7, minus 1, 1, 2 are the critical points. Among these, yeah, 2 is the solution for, and minus 1 also solution because r equal to given. No, r equal to is given. If r equal to is not given, these two also not a solution. So minus 7 won't be solution and 1 also won't be solution because they are in denominators. So I want make 2 as thick circle. Yeah, minus 1 also here open circle and here open circle. Now I want to identify the solution of the problem. So Weaver method saying that just you write plus here plus or minus depend upon x minus 2 exponent. X minus 2 exponent is even, 2016 is even as it is plus. Okay, next x minus 1 exponent, that is odd, sign will change. So x plus 1 exponent, that is odd, sign will change. X plus 7 exponent, that is odd 1, sign will change. What do you want? You want lesser negative symbols. You want negative symbol. See, negative symbols. So what happened, Nana? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 7. Minus 7 are there. Open union minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 closed. Minus 1 to 1 open. But this is not right answer because okay. But what about 2? 2 is solution of the problem only now. So okay, minus infinity to minus 7. Minus symbol. Minus 1 to 1 minus symbol. So 1 after plus symbol. You can't take plus symbol. But 2 should take, no. 2 is satisfying the equation. So that's why union set bracket 2. So while finalizing the solution, we need to cross check. So actually somebody will write this is the answer. It becomes wrong. They will miss this solution. That's why we need to cross check. Okay students, next problem. Cross multiplication is not applicable in inequalities. Cross multiplication is prohibited in inequalities. So 4 by x plus 2 minus 3 minus x greater than 0. So 4 minus x plus 2 into 3 minus x, just I took x plus 2 as LCM, Nana, greater than 0. Now I want to simplify this. So x square, 3x minus x square plus 6 minus 2x, that is minus x square plus x plus 6. So that is 4 plus x square minus x minus 6 by x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now I want to write in standard form x square minus x minus 2 by x plus 2 greater than 0. So I can factorize it x minus 2 into x plus 1, that one, by x plus 2 greater than 0. Now it is in standard form. Now directly I can find the solution of the problem. Okay, so we need to draw a number line. So zeros, minus 2, minus 1, 2. Any one of them is not a solution because only greater given. Just you need to write symbols plus, minus, because all are odd. We want greater means positive symbols you want. Positive symbols means this area you want. Therefore directly I can write x belongs to open minus 2 to open minus 1 union 2 to infinity. Open 2 to infinity is the solution for this problem. Student, this is one of the important model. The problem is a less than b less than c type. Implies a less than b and b less than c. Separately we want to solve for x which is satisfied by this condition a less than b. Then we need to find x which is satisfied by b less than c. Their intersection gives the solution of the problem. A less than b less than c form. A less than b we need to solve. B less than c we need to solve. Their intersection only the problem. Intersection only the solution of the problem. Okay, so I want divide into two pieces. First piece is 5x is less than x plus 1 whole square. Second piece is x plus 1 whole square lesser than or equal to 7x minus 3. End between them. Okay, now I want solve this first. 5x minus 1, sorry, okay. So 5x minus 1 lesser than x square plus 2x plus 1, or x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0. Directly x square minus 3x plus 2, or directly this is x minus 2 into x minus 1 greater than 0. Number line direct standard form 1, 2, plus minus plus. We want greater symbols. So what happened on here? X belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. This is part 1. Part 2 we need to solve from here. So this is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 7x plus 3 lesser than or equal to 0, or x square minus 5x plus 4 lesser than or equal to 0, or x minus 4 into x minus 1 lesser than or equal to 0. Number line 1, 4 plus minus plus, both will satisfy, greater than is there, both will satisfy. I want lesser than symbols, therefore x belongs to closed 1 to 4. Now I want finalize, means you want to find the intersection of these two. That is the solution of the problem. Now I want to use number line here. 1, 2, 4. This saying that your solution is from 1 to 4, including 1 and 4. All the numbers from 1 to 4 will satisfy this. This is saying that minus 1 and below 1. 1 is not there, below 1. This side. 2 to infinity. This side. So this area is common for both. This area is common. Means closed 4 to infinity is common. So here no common. 1 is included here, 1 is not included. So what happened, Anna? Only solution is x belongs to closed 4 to infinity. 1 here, but 1 is not there. 1 won't be in intersection. That's why only x belongs to closed 4 to infinity is the solution of the problem.